Nike by schwieters. Ever since I've been involved in sports as a little kid, I've always wanted to look the best and have the best gear. Nike has always been my favorite brand to wear for so many reasons. They always have the best gear, whether it be for sports or just casual wear. The shoes and clothes are made of very high quality so they don't wear and tear easily. When you're out and about, whether it be for a sporting event or running to the store to get groceries, take a look around at the shoes, shorts, shirts, and jackets on the people, and count how many Nike swooshes you see versus other brands. Chances are you'll see the little Nike swoosh more than not. The reason for seeing the little Nike swoosh, or the just do it saying, isn't a fluke. Nike has built a dominating industry when it comes to shoes and apparel market. Nike has had great success at the top because of its top-of-the-line research labs full of experienced and highly educated workers, its multi-million/billion-dollar sponsorships and endorsements, and as well as its very long-lasting everyday products. One of the top reasons why Nike dominates the shoe and clothing market is because of their research that goes into their products. The Nike website states that the Nike Sports Research Lab, or the NSRL, employs more than 40 researchers, many of whom have doctorate or master's degree in a wide range of scientific studies, including biomechanics, physiology, biomedical engineering, mechanical engineering, physics, math, kinesiology, and system science. Combined, the team brings more than 250 years of sports research experience to Nike. There are three things that the NSRL focus on creating and building new products. They are biomechanics, psychology, and perception. First, biomechanics, which is the study of the mechanical laws relating to the movement of the structure of living organisms, also the study of human movement and related forces. A critical area of study in the lab, the Nike biomechanics team focuses on understanding the mechanics of athletic skills and maneuvers with the intention of enhancing performance and reducing the risk of injury. The Nike team does modeling, simulation, and measurement to gain a greater understanding of performance in athletic events. One way Nike scientists can measure the body's movements is with the sports science visualization tool. This tool generates a 3D rendering of an athlete in motion, delivering key data and insight that informs designer decisions. The scientific information is then collected by the Nike team that applies it to the product design and development. Next is the psychology lab, which is the branch of biology that deals with the normal functions of living organisms and their parts. Within the focus of psychology is thermoregulation, recovery, and economy. According to the Nike website, thermoregulation involves the use of environmental chambers. Nike psychologists are able to bring the heat of Rio de Janeiro or the cold of Sochi to their labs. Both athletes and the specifically designed sweating mannequin, known as HAL, allow Nike psychologists to conduct thermoregulation research. The goal of the research is to create footwear and apparel solutions that lower an athlete's body temperature and reduce the energy output, thereby allowing him or her to train longer and harder. After thermoregulation, we have recovery. Practice and competition can leave an athlete exhausted and sore. Nike psychologists strive to develop apparel that help athletes recover more quickly so they're ready for their next challenge. Next, we have economy. The psychology team delivers footwear that allows athletes to run more efficiently, giving them more miles per gallon, so to say, which saves precious energy for the end of the race or the fourth quarter game. Unfortunately, this allows athletes to run further, farther, and longer. The third and final main focus of the NSRL is perception. The perception team explores how sensory perception influences, and with the psychology team to understand athletes' opinion of a garment's general comfort, thermal comfort, and moisture management capabilities in different environments. Understanding an athlete's perception enables the psychology team to know how the athletes truly feel while exercising in Nike apparel in different environmental conditions. Outside of the NSRL, Nike has big names wearing and showing off the Nike swoosh. Nike has billions of dollars invested in athletes from various sports. They have Kobe Bryant and Derek Jeter sponsored, just to name a few. With having so many big-time players wearing Nike, their sales have shot up. From 2000 to 2010, the Nike golf ball division made roughly $103 million due to the endorsement deal with Tiger Woods. Nike also likes to give back to the community by giving products to nonprofit organizations and non-government run organizations across the nation. With such superstar power supporting Nike, they have gained an increase in credibility due to the superstars giving positive testimonies about Nike. LeBron James and Michael Jordan are just a couple of people who have given positive testimonies. People want to wear Nikes because they see the big names wearing it. Whether it be soccer, baseball, basketball, golf, or running, Nike has solidified its as being a superior brand when it comes to shoes and apparel. From Nike Dry Fit, a dry, comfortable material that is sweat-proof, all the way to the new Nike Airloft that keeps runners at a warm temperature when running in cooler conditions. Nike has you covered. Though Nike has been successful in the clothing market, shoes are where it separates itself from other competition. Nike has many different styles of shoes, varying from Nike Flywires, an extremely light shoe with tons of support, to the very popular Nike Free, which is a shoe that allows muscles in the foot to gain strength by providing less constriction. If you haven't already switched over to the Nike brand, then hopefully this will do the trick. Nike versus other big brands such as Adidas and Under Armour in both shoes and apparel isn't even close. Nike blows them out of the water. According to an article in the Wall Street Journal, last year Adidas made $1.6 million in shoes and apparel, and Under Armour made $2.6 billion in shoes and apparel. Nike made a total of $11.8 billion in shoes and apparel. That's 3 times as much as Adidas and Under Armour combined. Nike is also produces 41.1% of sports market. Numbers don't lie, and it's safe to say that Nike has only room to grow with everything it has going on within its company. Whether it be the top-of-the-line research labs, the billion-dollar sponsorships and endorsements with big-time athletes, or the long-lasting products good for everyday use. Nike will continue to be on top for quite some time. So believe me when I say, just do it for switching over to Nike. Thank you.